I'm at the Sterkfontein Dam in the Free State, which is just outside Harrismith, and this is the highest earthfall dam in South Africa. Sterkfontein Dam is about 23 kilometers just outside Harrismith. Sterkfontein Dam, which is behind me, and it means strong fountain. It's situated on an 18,000 hectare nature reserve. It's the third largest dam in the country, first being the Harrismith Dam, then Vaal Dam, both in the Free State. The catchment area of the dam is much smaller than the water surface area and therefore minimizing the risk of flooding. This water is really blue because there are no rivers that flow into it. It's just like a big man-made pool. It's a highly effective dam as it is deep rather than wide, affording itself to little evaporation. This dam has the second highest wall for South Africa. The dam wall is 93 meters. The tallest dam wall in South Africa is 108 meters, which is the Vaal Dam. The Harrismith Dam wall is 88 meters. This was quite early in the morning and the dam is still covered by mist. Luckily, it cleared up quite nicely later on. This dam forms part of the Tugela-Vaal Water Project and serves the hydroelectric power station in the area. The water that's been collected into this dam is diverted from the Tugela River. The river would have just flown to the ocean and all of this water would have been lost. This water basically serves KZN and Gauteng. So damming this water in here serves as a source for consumption, industrial use, agriculture. So it's been quite interesting. The Drakensberg Dam towards the left is a dam within a dam. If the Sterkfontein Dam completely emptied, this dam would still be left full as it serves the hydroelectric power station. This is a 360 view of the dam and the surrounding area. On the flip side, if the Sterkfontein Dam were to be completely full, this dam would be submerged. It's still a dry season and it hasn't started to rain as yet, so everything's still very brown.